Hello, you are watching my official channel. Today I will show you how to play Geo Cricket. Let's open my Geo app. I have already opened my Geo Engage section tab. So in your trending section, tap on Geo Cricket. So your Geo Cricket opens. So this is the live game of CSK versus RCB. Now today's live game is CSK versus RCB, and now it is playing. So you can play in Geo Cricket, play live game in Geo Cricket, and you can on your power play, and the power play will be enabled from next over to earn more points, and you can give your correct prediction to this question and answers. I have already given my answers, and I own also points. So exit this game. Let's understand the features and the functions of GeoCricket. You can manage your accounts. By accounts tab in GeoEngage. So this is my account and profile, or also you can say profile. So this is my account of GeoEngage. So you can edit from here also. So my total score is 8,960. Best score, matches played, correct selections, correct selected 4 by 6, correct selected 2 wickets, challenges completed. So you can see over here. So I am exiting my account. So if you have already account, then don't need to make again. You can visit your rankings on the leaderboard section, and can see today's price also in the price section. So this is price section. You can see your bumper prices, means what is today's bumper prices. So many prices are there, and you can see your daily prices also. By playing the live game, you can unlock this challenge one by one. So let's exit this price section. This is my setting. This is Geo Cricket setting, only Geo Cricket setting. You can choose your language, audio, terms and conditions, facts about JCPA coming soon, and feedback. You can manage your account, everything from settings, group, and account group also. So better challenge and filter challenge, you can see over here. These are extra, means these are another playing games. I will show you next time in next video. So before we create super squad, I will tell you about Super Squad, that it is same as a Dream 11, but some changes in Super Squad, and that is, it does not need any money to start, only the total points you earn that take by each room's provisions. So let's join the room. So tap on cricket play. So these are Sunday's match, means 11th October 2020, 11th October 2020. Two matches are there. One is SRH versus RR, and one is MI versus DC. So I am joining room of SRH versus RR first, which will be start at 3:30 p.m. tomorrow. So lock your correct prediction to earn 50 points. Who is going to win the toss? So I lock my correct prediction at SRH, and I am joining the room of, there are many rooms. So let's join the room which you want to join. There are many rooms by their each provisions. So I am joining the room of Geo 500 MB data room so that I can win additional data. You can win if you if your match if your match if your team gets scored more. So you have to choose the players which have more player points, like Jay Bairstow. Jay Bairstow have 355 player points than other player points. You can see. So I am adding Jay Bairstow to my team. So add to team. Click on add to team to add the player in your team, and I am adding D Warner as well as Smith and 199 means M Pandey. So in all batsman section I chose 3 out of 3 is done. I chose 1 wicket keeper, which is 1 only given, so you can took 1 wicket keeper only. You can make your team, but 11 players should must be there. So you have to choose 11, and by each sections you can see how many players do you want in each sections. There are written like 3 all-rounder I want, and 4 bowler, 3 batsmen I chose also, 1 wicket keeper I chose also. So I am choosing A Sharma as bowler, and add to my team also R Tewatia, whose player points are more in the bowler section than in all rounder section, then chose all rounder section. So R Parag also have 33, but 73 is more than 33, so I am choosing M Lomore. And in the bowler section, that is his all rounder section, and A Sharma I took in all rounder section only. So I am choosing R Khan in bowler section, T Natarajan in all bowler section only, T Karan, JR Ka, and confirm your team, and click on confirm team to confirm it, and make a player as a captain and a vice captain to earn more points. Captain gives you 3 multi-power points, whereas vice captain gives you 2 multi-power points. But you have to choose a player as a captain and a vice captain. Vice captain means you have to choose. Otherwise, it will not be confirmed by Geo. So I am choosing Jay Bairstow as captain, and vice captain as M Smith. A Smith as vice captain. So I am confirm this room. After confirm, you can see in my match tab, this is home tab, this is my match tab. You can see this is live section, past section, upcoming match section. This is live section, means where the match is going on. Past section means which are already happened, which matches are already finished and or ended. This is live match is going on, and this is upcoming match. So I am joining another room. You can join another room by creating your new team, or else you can choose your existing team as well. So I am creating my new team. I am adding wicket keeper as Samson. I chose Samson as wicket keeper. David Warner as batsman. M Pandey also as batsman, and Smith as batsman. So 3 batsmen I chose, again all rounder. A Sharma, R Tewatia, M Lormore. In bowler section also Rashid Khan, T Natarajan, T Karan, but T Karan's player points is less than JR Kerr, so I am choosing JR Kerr, as well as T Karan also, because we need 4 bowler. And confirm your team and again make your captain. So I am making David Warner as captain and S Samson as vice captain, and confirm this room. You can see in upcoming matches. So again join another room, and I am joining Chris Fellow's room and join an existing room. I am joining team 2. I am choosing team 2. I am choosing from an existing team, so I make team 1 and team 2. So I chose team 2 and confirm this room. You can see in upcoming matches. So I need again go back to home and join the room of MI versus DC. So give your correct prediction, choose your correct prediction that who is going to win the toss. So I chose MI. So there are all rooms are there by each provisions. So I am choosing again as Geo 500. So I am joining again with Geo 500 MB data room, Geo 1 GB data room, as well as Cadwell Diamond Crisp room. First I am joining Geo 500 MB data room. So again took the players. So again take the players which has much more player points, like our band. I'm choosing our band as wicketkeeper, batsman, Rohit Sharma as batsman, S Yadav as batsman, and Pisa also batsman. So 3 batsmen I took. All rounder as K bowler is Hardik Pandey. Named Stoinis. So in the bowler section I am choosing J Bumrah, T Bowled, R Chahar, and K Rabada. But I can't lose my extra points, means extra costs, means game costs. So I want to choose means lower cost player like D Kulkarni, but I can't choose. So I want to remove one. So I am removing T Volt from bowler section and I am choosing J Pattinson, but I can't because it's 9 only. I want to remove J Bumrah and choosing T Volt because I can't lose my extra geos cost, means team cost, which is 100 only, A nor J, but I can't because it is 94 by 100. You can see under the DC means Delhi Capitals logo, you can see 94 by 100. I can't choose, and you can see your players cost. See above the add to team button, you can see your player cost. So can't choose him also. I'm removing the bolt. I want to remove Epstein and add Krunal Pandey as all-rounder. In the all-rounder section, you can see here, and I am choosing bowler as you can see K Rabada, DR Chahar, T Bolt, but now also I can't choose.